Hello, welcome back. Today we discuss about Git. Git is a distributed version control system that helps you keep track of changes made to your code, whether you're working on a small project or collaborating with a team. Git allows multiple developers to contribute simultaneously while maintaining a clean and organized code base. With Git, you can easily create branches to experiment with new features without affecting the main code. Once your changes are ready, merging them back into the main branch becomes a breeze. Git's commit mechanism allows you to save and track your changes along with a descriptive message. This chronological history helps you understand the evolution of the code and revert to previous versions. If needed, collaboration is made easy with Git. You can seamlessly integrate your code with other team members, changing using a pull request workflow. This ensures that code conflicts are resolved efficiently while maintaining the code quality. Using Git, you can track not only your code but also other project assets such as configuration files, documentation, and images. This comprehensive version control approach keeps your entire project in sync and ensures you can always recreate past working states. Git's robustness is further enhanced by hosting platforms like GitHub and GitLab, which provides additional features like issue tracking, project management, and continuous integration. These platforms streamline collaboration and make development more efficient. Git repository. A Git repository is a collection of files and folders that are tracked by Git, a distributed version control system. A Git repository allows you to perform various operations on your project, such as creating different versions, branching, merging, and collaborating with other developers. Some useful commands in Git are: Git init initializes a new Git repository in the current directory. Git clone clones a remote repository to your local machine. Git add stages a specific file for the next commit. Git commit commit message creates a commit with the staged changes and a message describing them. Git status shows the stages of the current repository, including staged, unstaged, and untracked files. Git branch creates a new branch with the given name. Git checkout switches to the specified branch. Git merge merges the changes from the given branch into the current branch. Git push pushes the changes from the local branch to the remote branch. Git pull pulls the changes from the remote branch to the local branch. In conclusion, Git is an indispensable tool for developers. It simplifies project management, increases productivity, and ensures code integrity. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering Git will undoubtedly benefit your workflow and career. Found it interesting? Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.